concerns that are referred to us by legal and sometimes voluntarily. And we do regulatory reviews. We also conduct regulatory impact assessments from preliminary impact statements submitted by different agencies. That PIS can become a regulatory impact statement, and we're also reviewing it. And we also conduct clarificatory meetings in order for the issues to be joined. We need to hear from both parties present, so we're also doing that. And just like what was mentioned a while ago, we believe in transparency. We believe that we want the transactions to be predictable so that the processes would be investment friendly. And we also believe that transparency will always lead to transformation. But we at the better regulations always we believe that better regulations, we need to have better regulations for a smarter Philippines.
Thank you po, it's Director Mark. Meron po, yes, Director A.